If you're a responsible and hardworking student, your peers may ask for your homework answers. However, it's important to resist the temptation to share your answers due to social pressure. Sharing your answers not only hurts you but also the person who copies you. Instead, protect your answers and help them become better students in the long run. Learn ways to say no to other students and manage their expectations. Consider starting a study group to learn together. When saying no, be explicit and avoid incomplete or unclear refusals. If necessary, repeat yourself and remind yourself of the consequences of sharing answers. Point out that copying homework doesn't help them learn the material and may lead to failure on bigger assignments. Familiarize yourself with your school's academic conduct code and rules on plagiarism. Avoid physical confrontation and seek help if necessary. Know that sharing answers would make you guilty of cheating and that keeping your work to yourself is the right thing to do.